Firstly, launch Finder app on your Mac. Select your iPhone from the sidebar. And under Backups section, select this Manage Backups option. Now this should show you all backups available on your Mac with date and time against it. You want to select and right click the backup you want to archive and select Archive option. That's all. Now your backup is archived. Click on OK to close this window. Now next time when you back up your iPhone, it will not override the existing backup. As you can see, there are now two iPhone backups. One with the date against it, which is the archived backup, and then there is this new backup. This archive feature will help you to restore your data from particular iPhone backups in the past. It is very important to archive your iPhone backups, especially when you're installing iOS public beta software on your iPhone. So that's all for today. I hope you guys found it useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.